how to download and install the Dabble app, a step-by-step to getting the app on your device. Now, first of all, you must make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. You could be using either Wi-Fi or you could be using mobile data. Just make sure you're connected to a strong internet. After you've done that, if you're using Android, open up your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open up your App Store. Now, even if you sometimes search for the Dabble app and then if it doesn't show up, it could sometimes mean that Dabble is not available in your country. So in that case, you'll not be able to download it. But if it is available, you can just launch your Play Store. In the search bar, you can go ahead and then type in Dabble. And right there, you can see the Dabble application. And there you'll find the install button if you haven't already installed it. In my case, I've installed it. So you're saying uninstall. But if you have, then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically install the application. This way you'll be able to download and install the Dabble app. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.